I have brought you a niche that can make you go viral overnight. Yes, you heard that right. I'm not joking. First, watch this video. Amazing, right? Now, you might be thinking, do I need to ride a bike in the mountains and record it? The answer is no. Everything you just saw is AI generated. Yes, completely AI generated. You don't need to go anywhere. All you have to do is stay at home and watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create such videos within minutes. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do it now. Let's get started. So first, we need to open ChatGPT. Now we need a script that will help us generate images for our videos. For that, I have already prepared some prompts in which I asked ChatGPT to generate 15 ideas based on this concept. A motorcyclist is crossing a narrow wooden bridge or path through a rocky gorge. These prompts are ready to use, and you can generate stunning images with them easily. You can find these prompts on my Discord server. The link is given in the video description. After pasting the prompt into ChatGPT, it will give you 15 ideas. Just pick the one you like the most and copy its prompt. Now the next step is to generate images, and for that, I'll use Leonardo AI. First, open Leonardo AI and click on the image generation option. Then paste your prompt into the box. After that, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and click on the Generate button. You'll see some amazing images appear in front of you. Wow! Look at these amazing results. Now, one by one, take the prompts of the ideas you liked, paste them into Leonardo AI, generate the images, and download them. Now that we have all our images, it's time to bring them to life. I mean, we need to convert these images into stunning videos. For that, I'll use this amazing AI tool called SkyReels, which converts images into videos. Open SkyReels, click on the Generate Video option, and then upload the image you want to convert. First, it will ask you to choose the aspect ratio. After that, set the video duration to 10 seconds and click Generate. The video came out perfect, and now we're going to download it. But before we move on to editing, there's one more step left. A 10-second video isn't enough. We need to make it longer and connect it smoothly with the next part, so it doesn't look like two separate videos. For this, we'll use a tool called Video Frame Extractor. Click on Select Video File and upload the video you just downloaded. Scroll down and click just before the video ends, since the last frame is usually blurred. Then click Extract. This tool will split the video into individual frames. Now, download the last clear frame, because we'll use it to continue the next video. Next, head back to SkyReels AI. Upload the image of the last frame. And in the prompt field, write, "This motorcycle keeps driving until the road end." Keep all the same settings as before and hit Generate. The second video will be created, continuing exactly where the first one stopped. Download this new video and open CapCut. Import both videos and place them on the timeline. Now it's time to add sound effects and music. Go to Pixabay and search for a motorcycle ride sound effect. I liked one and downloaded it. Then search for a roadside sound effect and download one that fits your scene. For background music, Look for something ambient and relaxing. Add all these audio files to CapCut. In CapCut, first set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and slightly enlarge the video to hide any watermark. Next, place the motorcycle and waterfall sound effects correctly, adjusting the volume so they're not too loud or too soft. If needed, increase the video speed to sync it better with the motorcycle sounds. Just select the video, go to the top right corner, click speed, and adjust it accordingly. Then, add the background music and reduce its volume so it plays softly. Finally, on the right side, adjust the saturation, clarity, and other settings to improve the look of your video. Once everything is ready, go to Export, name your video, and click Export. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've made a high-quality YouTube or TikTok video using AI. Now think about making videos like this every day, without spending hours editing. You can make a lot of money and grow your channel really fast. With AI, anything is possible. You just have to use it the right way. Now you have everything you need to begin. The only thing left is to start. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and hit the like button.